young we are, and yet have stood like planted hearts in the great sun of love so long, as two fair trees in woodland or in open dale stand utterly entwined and breathe the airs and suck the very light together, that we have become as one, deep-rooted in the soil of life, entangled in the sweet growth. I love you, Meg.
My dearest Alexander, we started our journey together much like we started this trip. We first ventured out near the turbulent and unforgiving sea. Then we slowly rose above, removed the daggers from both our hearts, and had a beautiful journey over the rocks, through valleys, mist, and fog. All that beauty and turmoil leading us to this very moment. And what a moment it is.
And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life, every second, every day.
I swear to always stand by your side and push you to be as powerful and strong as I know you are. To stand together against the end of the world as husband and wife. And just know that I would always choose to share my one life with you than to face all of the ages of this world alone.
If I was your lighthouse, then you are the rock on which I stand. You hold me up and allow me to illuminate the way for the safe return of our hopes and dreams. I will be your sidekick every step of the way, in sickness and in health, until our last journey together. I love you, Alexander, and I'm so fortunate that you chose me to have you by your side till we're old and smell of prunes.
Now, Alexander and Megan, I want you to take a minute and look at each other and think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture your relationship 30 years from now? Wedding rings are made precious by our wearing them. Your rings are there permanently, tattooed in place forever. Your rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together.
I feel all the romance in the stars, surrounded by a universe with the moon and Mars. I feel it. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. You won't know till you try. Under the moonlight.
From this day forward, we will continue on our journey together, much like how we will continue past this beautiful town. I hope this trip is a reflection of the rest of our lives together and all the wonder and surprises it holds. We will make plans, dreams, goals. We'll try to follow them too. Some will succeed, but most of the time, we will have to fly by the seat of our pants. Other times, we will see an opportunity so great, we won't be able to resist changing our plans just to be able to jump on the chance.
You won't know till you try. Under the moonlight.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as married. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Will you stay with me under the moonlight?